Monitoring and observability are the backbone of any model or agentic system you build. Recent high-profile incidents across the major AI labs drove home how much it matters to actually see what your models are doing. The same logic applies to agents. Without observability, tool calls and MCP calls happen in the dark, and you have no way to triage issues or catch the unexpected ones until something breaks. SecureVector 5.1 is built around that blind spot. It surfaces what your agents are actually doing in your environment, so nothing runs unseen. This is the blast radius: every external destination your agents actually reached, how many accepted a write, and how many were blocked. Scope expansion is the incident shape itself. One session reached 42 destinations this device had never seen, at roughly 800 a minute. Not one of those requests would have tripped a destination rule. The signal was only ever in the count. Policy health comes first. How often does a block get promoted afterwards? A policy whose denials all get promoted is fighting you. And this says so, rather than waiting to be switched off. Baseline is on by default. And you can read every rule it ships with. Package or registry publish. The cloud instance metadata endpoint. Waveable on a C runner that legitimately reads instance credentials. Anonymous paste, file drop and tunnel endpoints. A git push to a remote given as a literal URL. Or to any remote other than the repository's origin. And reaching into private or link local address space. Every one of those is rare in normal work. And unambiguous when it fires. That is why baseline needs no tuning. Reads are recorded and allowed. Never blocked. Strict your presets you preview first, against this machine's own history. The same policy is not something each machine invents for itself. In the Cloud Console, an administrator authors it once, and it is signed and distributed to every enrolled device on the next sync. Tool calls and network destinations are governed separately, and network destinations carries the same 3 presets you just saw locally, now applied across the fleet. So a fleet of devices, each running several agents, sits under one authored destination policy. The device stays the enforcement point. The cloud is where the policy is written, signed and shipped. SecureVector 5.1.0. See what your agents reach.